All right, we are starting off with 2 of our pre-made cornbreads in our aluminum dish. And now I'm just crumbling that so that we get a nice cornbread crumble on the bottom of our easy 1-pan dinner. You can home make your cornbread, but I wanted this to be super quick and super easy for you guys to recreate. All right, I think those crumbles look absolutely delicious. I just used my meat masher there. Now I'm gonna grab my no sugar added original barbecue sauce and do a light drizzle of barbecue sauce on our cornbread. It doesn't need to be too much. This just goes so great with all the flavors we're adding to this delicious cornbread dinner. Smells so good already. I love barbecue sauce. I love cornbread, and this is no exception. We'll make sure we get those corners. All right, I think that looks about right. You can add as little or as much as you want. All right, now I have 2 packages of this pulled pork, and this also has some barbecue sauce already on it. So you could skip that first layer if you prefer, but I wanted all the flavor. And we're adding our pulled pork right on top of our cornbread. And I didn't heat this up quite yet because we are gonna throw this in the oven and get everything nice and warm and toasty and delicious. So we're just evenly distributing our pulled pork, and this is 2 pounds of pulled pork that we are using. Now I'm gonna add some real bacon bits on top of that pulled pork. This is gonna add some great saltiness to this dish. I absolutely love bacon, pulled pork, barbecue, and cornbread all together. And this is just really gonna pull all the flavors right in there. Now, before we pop this in the oven, I am gonna just add a little bit of Colby Jack cheese shreds. We're just gonna sprinkle that right on there. You can use whatever cheese you like, but this is gonna be great for like a summer barbecue potluck, and you can make your own pulled pork so that it really feels, you know, like it's made with love. Okay, I think that looks pretty good, right, babe?
Yeah, I mean, I like extra cheese, but...
Okay, we'll use the whole bag, why not?
Yeah,
it's the good stuff. Okay. Yum. All right, and this is gonna be in the oven super quick because everything is already pre-cooked, so 350 for about 10 minutes. All right, we're just about to pull our cornbread out of the oven. I'm grabbing a large bowl, and we're gonna start off with our bag of coleslaw. Let me know if you guys wash these kind of bags. I personally do not because they say they come pre-washed, but we're adding that whole bag into our large bowl, and then we are adding our coleslaw dressing. You can make your own, it's pretty simple, but just like with the cornbread, I wanted this to be super easy for anyone to recreate, and we're using that whole jar because it is so good and I want it to be very, very dressed. And to make this easy, I put on my food grade glove, and we are just gonna mix this all together until our coleslaw is perfectly dressed. Oh my goodness, there's nothing better than cornbread, pulled pork, and coleslaw. You cannot convince me otherwise. This is gonna be everyone's favorite dish at the potluck. So let's get this ready. All right, this is ready. Let's go ahead and get our cornbread pulled pork out of the oven. Oh my, look at that melty cheese. This is gonna be delicious. Now, all we have to do is top this with our coleslaw. You can put your coleslaw on the side, but that is not how we do it in this house. And we're just gonna make sure we evenly spread that so everyone has some coleslaw, some cornbread, some pulled pork, all in one bite. Talk about delicious. We have our freshness, we have our protein, and we have our carbs all in one dish. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna grab my plate, my fork, and let's get a scoop. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so good. We have our cornbread, everything, and the last thing I'm gonna add is just a little bit of pepper, just on mine. Okay, it's time to give this a try. I want a bite of everything. Oh yeah, perfect.
Is it good?
That is amazing. You guys are gonna love this.